To start trading but don't know where to begin, let me introduce you to the Pocket Broker, an all-in-one trading platform right in your pocket. Pocket Broker is a mobile app that lets you trade various financial instruments like forex, stocks, index, and even cryptocurrencies. Directly from your phone, it's designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Once you sign up, you can open a demo account to practice without risking real money. The app pays you the live market charts, trading tools, and analysis switches to help make better decisions. You can choose your preferred assets, set your investments amount, and decide whether the market will go up or down. It also has a risk management tools like stop loss and take profit, so you can control your trades. And the interface is clean, perfect for trading on the go. Whether you are testing strategies or trading for real, Pocket Broker gives you a quick market access, instant trade executions, and a user-friendly platform to manage your portfolio anytime, anywhere. If you want to explore trading and keep it all in one place, give Pocket Broker a try. It's available on Android and iOS. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more app reviews and tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Best of luck.